Respect for physical distancing has become the new normal and is not always an easy thing. In public or private places, ensuring safety and enforcing new rules and restrictions can be difficult. So, let's adapt and create new ways to work together safely through a new innovation. The AI-driven Blue Eye solution by Capgemini automatically calculates distances between individuals. No more physical and complex signaling in busy spaces. Thanks to an embedded camera and AI algorithms developed within an Intel framework, this smart little box alerts everyone in case of proximity breaches or if masks are not worn. To ensure data privacy, this real-time image processing solution is standalone and offline and does not need to store privacy data. Both the box and associated services can be customized for your plants, labs, stores, public places or construction sites. Try this new companion decision support system to support the new normal and widely deploy it.